Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Irwin Folding Pocket Chisel. This thing's actually pretty neat because it opens up like a butterfly knife, and on the inside it has these two little interlocking clasps that snap together nice and solid. It don't have much play in it. It's held together with roll pins. It has a plastic handle and it has two steel strike plates on the back. And the blade also has like a lacquer finish over to protect against rust. But one thing I like about it though is the fact that it folds up, obviously. And I got my little pouch here from my Veto Pro Pack SPMC to give you an idea of size. Fits in there nice and tight. I think the size of this thing, we're looking at 5 3/4 with it closed, and with it open, looks like 9.5 inches. So it's a pretty handy little tool. I like it. Oh yeah, to unlock it, you just kind of lift up and down on the other side. It'll unlock. Just to give you a better idea, that's how it locks, and then you just kind of twist it a little bit and it unlocks. But the reason you might want one of these is obvious, to keep in your tool bag or your pocket, and with it folding up, you don't have to worry about the blade cutting your leg off or jabbing a hole in your pants pockets. And just to give you a better idea of the size of this chisel, I got my Veto Pro Pack SPMC here. We'll open it up and see how it fits. I got an open screwdriver pocket, so pop it in there. Fits in there nice and snug. So if you're familiar with the SPMC, you know it's a smaller size tool bag. So if it fits in this bag that good, it's going to fit in any tool bag just fine. You shouldn't have any problem fitting it anywhere, or you can just throw it in your pocket. But again, this is the Irwin Folding Pocket Chisel. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.